What's up, everybody? This is the Fan21 back once again. And what you're looking at here today is a 52-inch white Emerson Premium ceiling fan. This fan here dates to sometime around, say, around mid to late 90s, possibly even around the early 2000s. My expertise on these later Emerson fans are very novice at the best. So I'm not really too sure when the Premium was introduced. I want to say around the early 90s. They were layout. I'm pretty sure they were discontinued. I think they were discontinued around mid 2000s, I believe. But don't hold me on that one. Like I said, fans in a white finish. Blades are reversible from this bleached oak to white on the other side. And it is a 3-speed fan, electrically reversible. And it uses of course, the Emerson K55 motor, which is the same motor that's used in the vast majority of Casablanca fans all the way from 1980 until around late 90s, 1998, or thereabouts, or something like that. Probably even earlier than that, before they switched to the XLP motor. That's here regardless. Like I said, around mid to late 90s when this fan was manufactured. The fan has a generic canopy on it. I'm not sure when they switched to using the oversized bowl looking canopy, which I really think is kind of ugly, but that's just my expertise. I like this more generic style canopy a lot better on this fan. Like I said, that's just my opinion. So let's start up here on the low speed. The fan is also has, they use the same flywheel as Casablanca as well, so the fan is actually 4 or 5 blade adaptable. Like I said, you can install the fan with either 4 or 5 blades, basically. However, the way the irons are designed on this fan being a continuous look around the flywheel there, it actually looks best with the 5 blade configuration. Take it up to the medium speed here. The flywheel on the fan is warped a little bit, but it actually surprisingly doesn't contribute to much of a wobble though. And the bearings are a little bit on the stiff side as well from lying dormant for a couple years as well. It's been a while since I've had this fan up and running. I can't even remember when I got this thing. I would say around at least 4 or 5 years ago now. Take it to high. And we're doing around 190, possibly even 200 RPM on high speed there. And the fan has probably around a 13, 14 degree blade pitch. So, pretty decent air mover. Turn it off here. Let's start up here on the low speed on the updraft position. Turn it up to medium. And turn it back to high. And there you go. Let it coast here. Very smooth running fan. It's got ever so slight bearing noise. That's likely due to the fact that they've been lying dormant for a while. But as you can see, they are on the stiff side. As we have a pretty short spin down here. But the Premium is a very nice fan though. There's quite a few United Dairy Farmers, gas station, convenience stores around here that have them or have had them. They seem to variate. I mean, a lot of the ones in the 80s use Hunter Originals. And the ones in the 90s either use, I've seen them with Casablancas, Delta 2s, and Emerson Premiums like this. So the Premium's a little bit of a childhood fan, not much so. Actually, I've hardly ever seen Premiums here in the wild here in my area, actually. So there you go, folks. There was the Emerson Premium ceiling fan from the mid to late 90s. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. And like always, we'll see you next time.